Hi, this is Angie. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm working on a folio today and I wanted to get myself a little more organized so I can get this done. And I thought I should get my little organizer out and help me get this project going. So this is what I use to organize my supplies. It's been a while since I've used it, so I'm going to go ahead and empty it out, give it a good cleaning, and then organize it and put it back together and show you how I use it. I've got old unfinished projects in here. Scraps that I keep, obviously, for embellishing pages. You never know. I've kept lots of papers from different projects that clearly need to be cleaned out. Oh, look at this. I didn't even know I had that. Okay, so this is all dusty dirty. I'm gonna go blow this off and I'll be back. Okay, I went outside, I used the air compressor and I blew it out, gave it a good wipe down, and now it's ready to go, because not only do I have everything I already took out, I also have the stack back here of all of these papers that are all Disney-ish for the projects I've been working on. So all of that's not going to go in there, but all of the small bits and pieces that I have just kind of tucked in to the paper pads, I'm going to pull out and put in here and get myself reorganized so I can move on. So let me figure this out and show you. So I have all these long pieces that are strips left over that can be reused as borders or maybe cut down to tags. I'm going to put them here for now. I have fuller sheets that I haven't used that can still be cut down or used for matting tags. Try and put them in some kind of order according to size. So I'm going to put these that are like half sheets or more in here. I might keep the cardstock separate. I don't know. And then the fuller sheets I'm going to put in back. Like I've taken this one apart for like to use as like cut aparts. I'm going to stand that up in the back. Here's like another half sheet. And then I've got full pieces of paper I'm going to put in the back to give it some stability to stand up. might be helpful to have 2 of these, and then you could have cardstock on one side and all your pattern papers on the other, just to help you keep a little more organized. And maybe I'm keeping a little bit too much, but until the project is done, I just wanted to keep my options open. So these are the little strips that I have. I think I'll find a paper clip for that. Then you could also put your glue in there if you wanted, so that you're all organized, or you even leave your tape if you have the tape that you use. But I think that'll help me moving forward, at least have everything that I'm working on right here, and I can put it away when I'm done. So I don't know, maybe that'll help somebody, give some ideas for organization, so that you can have what you are working on right here, and then you can just put it all back in when you're done and set it aside. So until next time, thanks for watching. As always, if you like the channel or like what you saw, give me a thumbs up and hopefully subscribe, and we'll see more content in the future.